This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 7th, 2022. It's currently November 3rd, 2022, 7:46 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme for the day and trend direction, we have a volatile day. It's a period of volatility with a sharp dip in that period of volatility that will stand out on at least a one-day chart. Behavior around the high, we have a big move on a one-day chart. It would stand out to the upside out of oversold territory or to fill a previous gap down. It looks like it takes place within the period of during that period of volatility, likely midday. It looks like. Behavior around the low, we have selling from an overbought peak or crest down into the low. So we go from a peak right into the low. It looks like, and overall. We may have had a higher price level the prior day based on what I'm seeing here. There's a support level that we attempt to establish in the pre-market, and a rally that commences out of that support level. Some volatility once we hit a resistance level. Right around the open, there's volatility, but we hit the resistance level and the volatility kind of like flattens out for a moment, and then we drop to and through support level, meet a second support level, and rotate sideways along that support in that first half hour. Off of that support, we rise, attempt to break through key resistance, instead turn around and decline through key support, and then there's a rally, that's around like 11 to 12, and in the midst of that rally there's an opportunity to open up protection or a short position, and then we have a decline midday through a support level, a key support level that we had recently broken down through already. So we may have rallied back through whatever we broke down here, and then we break down through it again here. But a lot of volatility going on in these 11 to 2 o'clock ish. Big move, a lot of price movement right around the 2 o'clock, the 1:45 hour, looks like to the upside. And then we have a breakout between roughly 2 and 3, another big amount of price movement. We move through a resistance level. We move through a resistance level, stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through that same price level in that last hour. And that brings us, after reaching a peak, we probably have a peak there actually. That may be a day's high there, actually at the end of the day, or a peak or crest that stands out, but then we have a sharp drop out of the close and into the post-market with some bearish price swings and a sharp drop. That's the S&P 500 for December 7th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Most importantly, make sure you're following that rule of karma. If you don't know what I mean by the rule of karma, guys, the channel has a rule of karma. We do a ton of work. There's a whole team putting this work out there. It's all free. But with that said, we do need your support, my friends. So please, when you make that money, send a little bit back to the channel. I appreciate all of you guys that have done so. Really do appreciate it, guys. That's what's allowed us to continue moving and growing through November now. But we still do need your continued support, so please keep that in mind. And really, most important, guys, make sure you're spending that money out of love. As long as you spend it out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.